Hi there, it's Di with WTI, and I am super happy I found these Artmag magnetic frames. So you can put any paper artwork or also your cool souvenir towels between these. You get the frame with the hanger there. I like to sometimes buy, when I travel, some little towels and then have them on a wall. So this is excellent way to make them into an artwork. Just like that, your memento or souvenir makes an interesting art piece for your wall. And as easy as it is to put them on a frame, it's easy to take them out and put something else there instead. So I like them because they're so practical and it's easy to make a series of things, and you can find these frames in so many different sizes. So depending what your artwork is about, you can choose according that. Also excellent idea for if you have, for example, children's drawings and you want to change them up when the seasons are changing. So yeah, I would recommend for anybody who wants to put their contemporary artworks into their walls and change things up, but still have that beautiful clean look all the time for their home. I absolutely love these frames and how easy they are to use and how much elegance and unified look they give to your home immediately. And I will be getting these on the other sizes too now when I have proved that they are very good quality. And you can find them also in different sizes and different colors. I got mine from Artmag and I am super happy with them. That is my point of view.